Yan na guys, tinatanong na ng mga reporter kung nasaan yung ring na binigay ni Gabby Concepcion kay Sharon Cunita. At anong klaseng ring at bakit nagbigay siya ng ring. At ito ipinaliwanag ni megastar na it's a kind of friendship yung pagbigay ni Gabby ng ring sa kanya because it took a decades na talaga namang hindi sila okay at marami daw masakit na nangyayari at yung feelings niyang sinaktan ng husto at ayan ay medyo okay na sila, BFF na sila ni Gabby Concepcion. At yan daw ay mayroon pang mga darating na mga projects sa kanilang dalawa ni Gabby Concepcion at kung ano man daw yung mangyayari o siguro ang ibig sabihin ni Sharon magkaroon sila ng problema na nanggagaling kay Gabby Concepcion ay wawasakin daw niya yung ring na ibinigay ni Gabby Concepcion sa kanya. Which is, it's a simple ring. Nakikita mo naman yung ring na ibinigay ni Gabby na panood ko rin noong one of their concert tour. At ayun nga, it was in...
Ito?
Alin dyan?
Alin ba? Ano
Binigay ni
tinatanong?
Gabby.
Ito.
Is that an aura ring? What
No,
is
it's just
it?
a ring. It has no monitoring. Why?
Parang gift lang niya.
Sabi niya, it's a friendship ring, sabi niya sa stage.
Oh, wow.
So that's why I will hold him
Kaya.
to this friendship. Kailangan walang
I-focus mo nga sa
problema
camera.
yung... Huwag naman.
Friendship lang naman.
Kailangan walang problema yung mga darating na projects, kundi sisirain ko to.
That's cute. Cute naman yung gift. Yeah, I
He
love it.
gave it in one of the concerts. So, sabi niya, I've been wearing this, nandun naman niya sa YouTube.
Right.
Ang sabi niya, friendship ring.
Nice.
So, parang, it took us decades nga to get to this point. So, it's very precious to me kasi marami kaming pinagdaanan na, alam niyo naman yan, di ba? So, maraming times na masakit, nakakainis, mga girls. Finally, that's why I told you, diba, I didn't know what to expect at the beginning and then biglang we became friends. So, and we became closer. So, parang, you never expected these things to happen and then they did. So, what a blessing. Oh my gosh, it is just beginning. Everybody named here, this is my home. Baby, galing-galing.
The megastar ni Sharon Cunita.
Si Miranda's very guarded kasi marami siyang guilt. Different kasi nung sabi ko, nag-attack ako. I've never had a role na kailangan strong siya, kailangan. And she has to be on top of the show as the host and the boss.